Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bank of America Mobile Banking, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into Bank of America Mobile Banking, start by opening the App Store on your mobile device. If you haven't installed the Bank of America app, search for it and download it. Once the app is installed, tap the Bank of America icon to open it. You will see the login screen. Enter your online ID in the first field. Then, input your password in the second field. Make sure both entries are correct to avoid login issues. If you want to save your login information for future use, select the Remember Me option. Once you've entered your details, tap the Login button. Wait for the app to process your login request. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your account dashboard. In case you forget your online ID or password, tap on the Forgot ID or Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your information. If you experience issues logging in, ensure your internet connection is stable. It might help to restart your device if the app is not functioning properly. Once logged in, you can access various banking features like checking your balance or making payments. Remember to log out after each session for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.